Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Netflix account. If you are no longer using Netflix or simply want to remove your account, this guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. Just keep in mind here that deleting the account or your account is different from deleting the app. So make sure you're ready before you continue. So first, open up the Netflix and sign into the account that you want to delete. And once you are signed in, tap on your profile icon and select accounts. So this will open your account settings in your web browser. And if you see a delete account option, simply tap on it and follow the instructions shown on the screen. So read the confirmation message carefully, then confirm your choice to continue. If you don't see a delete account button, don't worry because that is normal for many users. In most cases, you'll first need to cancel your Netflix membership. And to do that, go to the Manage Membership section and choose Cancel Membership. And then confirm the cancellation, and then your subscription will stay active until the end of your current billing period. After your membership ends, Netflix may remove your account later, and if you want it to be deleted sooner, you can request deletion through Netflix Help Center. And before confirming, remember that your profiles, watch history, and save details may be removed once deletion is complete. And that's all there is to it. Deleting your Netflix account only takes a few minutes once you know where to find the right settings. And I hope this guide made the process simple and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.